Here's a review of the Octane Estes gears. It's pretty good. As I already mentioned, is Shimano V cantilever brakes. On the side there's good gripping, which gives an indication that it's a pretty good product. Coming over to the gears, which is the most important part. First of all, the Shimano labeling with V cantilever brakes. We can see, if you look closely, you can see that there are 3 transmission gears out here. It's a 3-speed gearing system starting from 1, 2 and 3. Once more, it's starting from 1, 2 and 3. As you can see, 1 is highlighted, which means that currently the cycle is in the first gear. So here is the upper jack. If you just upper leveler, if you just pull it, then the gear, suppose it is in 2, it's going to move to 1. But as now it is 1, it's currently not usable. So in that case, we can use the gear which is down out here. These are the turbo brakes and quite effective as well. If you put the downer gear, it's going to shift from the first to the second, and if it's in the second, it's going to shift to the third itself. Then if you are in the third, then if you then push the upper gear, then it's going to move to the second. So this is how it works out here. Moving over to the next side, it feels the same in design, but it's definitely not in the interiors. Out here you can see it's the same gripping out here, so nothing to mention about that. If you come over to the most important thing, it's again Shimano V brakes labeled out here, but here it's, instead of the 1, 2, 3, it's a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 out here. As you can look closely, it's stating that it's the cycle is currently in the 5th gear, as highlighted by red. Now here the operations are different. If you push the upper gear, instead of moving from 5 to 4, it's going to move from 5 to 6. Once more I say, if you pull the upper gear, instead of moving from 5 to 4, it's going to move from 5 to 6. That means it's going to go in the ascending order, sorry. If you go in the lower one, if you pull the lower one, then it's going to move from 5 to 4. So once more I repeat on the operations out here, that here it's a 1, 2, 3 kind of a system, which is 3-speed. If you pull the upper gear, it's going to move in descending order. That's 3 to 2 and 2 to 1. Pull the lower one, it's going to move in ascending order. 1, 2, 3 and 2 to 3 definitely. Here it looks the same, but it's different. It's 7 gears mentioned out here. If you pull the upper one, it's going to move in ascending order. That is 5 to 6 and 6 to 7. Pull the lower one, it's going to move in descending order. 5 to 4, then 3, then 2, then 1. So here's the operations of the Octane Estes gears. Definitely turbo sweep gears, pretty good in operation and definitely effective as well.